What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new series on this channel. I went ahead and purchased a 50k challenge, and I'm gonna try to pass it while recording most of my trades. I'm gonna see how it goes. To be honest, so far we're in some gold buys. It's going pretty well. I saw it kind of bouncing off of this demand zone. I'm gonna try to stick to older strategies more than the new ones I'm trying to learn. We're gonna be trying to aim for like the highs up here. But of course, once a one-to-one is hit, if it starts to reverse or something, then I will get out. But so far, it hasn't even hit our one-to-one target. We'll just wait to see what sort of happens. It's been a while since I've done a live trading video for you guys. I don't know when the last one was, but let's hope this one goes well. If we can break and close above this 13, we should be good to fly up to these highs, the pre-market highs. But if we don't, we're in trouble. The reversal is coming. The reversal is coming. Our original entry would have been up here with the candle break. I just saw like an aggressive buy coming out of this area with this candle moving up. So I'm like, I'll just take an aggressive entry instead. Our one-to-one is hit. Okay. I'll probably move my stops to break even. And then like our like I said, our targets are just these pre-market highs. So I got my stops to break even. I'm going to add an alert. This trade is now risk-free. Now we just let this thing ride, this baby on go. So I'm probably gonna stop the recording and then come back to either it hitting TP or it hitting stop loss. I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. To be honest, I exited my position somewhere up here, like around here. I'll take it. It's a 1-2. I don't want to stretch it out to. I know, and I think for a fact it might go for this pre-market high and take out this pre-market high. But I'm just seeing it bounce, and I'm like, I'm already up. Let me just secure what I have, and let me go run to the hills, and we'll come back tomorrow and trade. Like, already, I think it's gonna hit the pre-market highs. But like that extra bit of profit space, I didn't want to risk it, you know. Like I knew it was gonna hit it, but I saw it bounce, and I'm like, I'm just gonna get out before it starts to reverse, because like most of the time when it does bounce, it bounces back down to like where it opened. That's when a reversal happens. That's when you get that bearish candlestick, and that's when price can just instantly go back and hit your break even or your stop loss. I've seen it happen multiple times, and I'm not gonna hold just for a little bit more profits. I think I would have just made an extra 200 bucks, but like it's fine because like I'm already at a 1-2. So overall, pretty happy with the trade, pretty happy with how it went. Just to break it down, pretty simple supply and demand. It was on the 5-minute. This is gold. I saw a little demand zone with a fair value gap attached to it. Price came in, tapped the zone, and then I decided to take an aggressive entry because like I just saw like in real time the amount of buyers stepping in. It's something that like your intuition has to be built over trading. Like you just have to have experience to kind of notice these things. It can't really be taught, and it can't really be done. Like it's just something that's kind of ingrained whenever you start trading. So I just saw aggressive buying, and I'm like, you know what, I'm going to take an aggressive buy position. Although you could have easily taken a break of candle here, which is my other entry model, and I think you would have hit your 1-1. Yeah, you could have taken a break of candle, but I just know that the break of candle would have had a huge stop loss. So I took my chance on aggressive buys, and we ended up with a W. So yeah, I will see you guys all tomorrow. Take care. Bye bye. What's going on, everybody, and welcome to a brand new video on this channel. We're going to continue this series on. It is currently Thursday. I didn't see any setups on Tuesday, and I don't trade Wednesdays, so we're on Thursday, and I saw this gold opportunity buy breaking the 13 EMA moving average, and I'm just looking for a simple 1-1 with this strategy. I'm not looking for more. So let's see what happens. We closed above the 13, and I'm just waiting for this to kind of pop on up. I am reducing my risk heavily. I'm trading the micro gold contracts, not regular gold, because regular gold, my stop loss would be at 1%. This is at 0.5%. But yeah, let's see how this goes. So far, it's not going in our direction, but that's totally fine because we could add another position to this trade. So we'll see if there's a sort of signal here that gives us the opportunity to add another contract here. Either the bounce off of the 13 or the tap of the 13 is what I'm looking to enter another position off of, because I think that would be the halfway point here if we just bring up the fibs this low to this high. Yeah, you can see right the halfway point. I'll take another entry. Doesn't look like it though, honestly. This is the part of the trade where, you know, I'll probably cut and then bring you guys back to if anything does happen. So yeah, I'll bring you guys back if anything happens. All right guys, bringing you guys back with an update. So far it's not going well. I did, like I said, ended up adding one more contract when we touched that 13, so our average entry would be right over here, but it's not looking good. But I'm fine with that because I'm still risking 0.5% of my account balance. So if this does hit my stop loss, I'm totally okay with it. I'm just hoping it doesn't. Just have a look at some other pairs. Nasdaq didn't really give much. I was looking at this demand zone as we were bouncing up. I took a small entry here, and when we started to come back, I decided to close it, and I took like a $70 hit, I believe. There we go. Gold hit our stop loss. There's nothing we can do. Yeah, even on my broker, even on the challenge. Sorry, on the challenge, ended up hitting my stop loss. So honestly, we'll wait for another setup to occur if anything does happen. If not, I'm gonna close down my platform and move on to the next day. But there's nothing really going on now, so I'll bring you guys back if I do decide to enter another trade. Yeah guys, I think it's done for the day. I think it's done for the day. We didn't end up closing above that 13. We like I said, I mentioned, we flipped bearish and we ended up closing underneath the 200, and I'm not going to get involved in this random craziness, so I'm going to lock up the trading platform. I'm going to close down the platform because I feel myself wanting to do something very stupid or dumb, so I don't want to do that, and I'll just take my 250, or I think it was $300 loss today. So yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow, which is Friday. Take care.